Tyagaraja Swami is said to have composed this on the day of his daughter's wedding. His daughter's name was Sita Lakshmamma. On the day of the marriage, the bridal party was just departing from his house. And as they came out and Tyagaraja looked down the street, he saw a picture of Sri Rama coming towards him above the heads of the crowd. And it was his Shishya Valajapet Venkatramana Bhagavatar was bringing a gift for Tyagaraja on the day of his daughter's wedding. And when he saw this picture approaching, he was so struck by the sight of Sri Rama coming to see him that he composed the song Nannu Palimpa Nadachi Vachitivo Na Prananatha. My Lord, did you come walking all the way to be with me?
Nannu Palimpa Nadachi Vachitivo 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 Na Prananatha Nannu Palimpa Nadachi Vachitivo Na Prananatha Nadachi Vachitivo Bala Bala Vanaja Nayana Vanaja Nayana Momu 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 Jivana Maninana Runnamana Sumarmamu Delisi Jivana Maninana Runnamana Sumarmamu Delisi Nannu Palimpa Nadachi Vachitivo Na Prananatha Nannu Palimpa Nadachi Vachitivo Nila Mani Nivatanu Buddha Surapati Nila Mani Nivatanu Buddha Uramunamutyabu Sarula శయము పురమునముద్యవు సరుల శయము కరమున శరగంతి కరమున శరగంతి కరమున శరగంతి కోదరణి తనయ కోద్యాగరాజీత ధరణಿ ತನಯ ಕೋದ್ಯಾಗರಾಜೀತ ನನ್ನೂಪ ನಟಚಿ ವಚಿತಿ ಪ್ರಾಣನ ನನ್ನು ಪಾಲಿಂಪ ನಡಚಿ ವಚಿತಿ